Hi everyone. Today we're going to briefly discuss the difference between a W-2 and a 1099. A lot of my clients ask me whether they should take a 1099 job or a W-2 job. Well, real quick, if you're an employee where you're participating in the company's 401k plan, medical insurance plan, you are considered an employee, so you don't really have the option to take the 1099. So you will be sticking with the W-2. However, if you get a new job offer where the job is a 6 to 12 month contract, that happens with especially a lot of consultants, where the employer will say, do you want to take a W-2 or a 1099? And for example, we'll use a salary, $100,000 is a salary. So at that point, you would have to make a business decision to see what would be more tax beneficial for you, whether you should take the 1099 or a W-2. So one of the things you guys should understand is that when you get paid on a W-2, you have Social Security and Medicare tax, where you will pay half and your employer will pay the other half. So on 100,000, the payroll tax should be 7.65%, where you're going to pay 7,600 and your employer will match it and they will pay the other 7,600. So that's what happens on a W-2. So now, a lot of times employers will push for the 1099. The reason for that is they're saving money on self-employment tax. So they wouldn't have to worry about the Social Security and Medicare tax. So at that point, the Social Security and Medicare tax becomes your expense and you would have to pay 15.3%, 7.6 times 2. So the 15.3% would be your cost. So at that point, what I suggest, I usually tell my clients, if you are going to take a 1099 job, you should actually request a higher salary to compensate for the self-employment tax. So once you do land the job and you are on a 1099 basis, you have a little bit of more tax savings than a W-2. For example, if you're working out of your home, you have and you're traveling to work, and you have other continuing education for work-related expense that you incur, those expenses now becomes tax deductible for you on a 1099 basis, which you're not allowed under the W-2. So that's one of the things you guys should keep in mind when landing a new job, because if it is a temporary job where the contract job is, it's going to end soon, it's probably best to go with a 1099 so that you could get the best tax benefit and take all the tax deductions that are available. If you have any more questions regarding this, or you want us to analyze a new job offer that you got, feel free to give us a call and we'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you.